everybody, Chris Schaefer at Pautzke Outdoors. We're not far from Harrisburg, we're not far from State College, we're at Laurel Run here in central Pennsylvania, and we're gonna go after brook trout today. Now, the state of Pennsylvania has done a great job raising some quality brook trout. We're gonna show you how you can come out here with Pautzke fireballs and firebait, keep a low profile, and catch a lot of fish. Let's see how we do. Oh, get him! Nice.
Nice firebait too. Yeah. Garlic salmon egg?
Garlic salmon egg. Check that guy out.
Look at the colors.
Little guy, but he's got some color to him.
Feed pellet brown, huh?
Yep. Just a really small presentation. Wow.
Look at this guy thinks it's fall.
Wow.
All I've been doing today is this. Since the water is so clear, I've been maintaining a lower profile with a very small amount of feed pellet brown onto that size 12 salmon egg hook. Basically the idea is to cover the hook completely with the least amount of firebait possible. There it is right there.
Got him.
Fireball.
Ooh, that's a nice one too.
Oh, yeah. He's got some
beautiful fish.
Really colorful. I'm getting the net now.
Ooh.
Oh yeah. Check out the colors on him. So John, he's been using the chartreuse garlic fireballs, and what I've been doing, I've been switching between the pink shrimp and the orange shrimp fireballs, and they've been working really well for me today. Like, these are the only two colors I've had to use, and they're just fighting over these fireballs. We can't keep them off our hooks. Check this out. John and I both doubled up. Right here, same hole. Both two beautiful brook trout.
Both caught on fireballs. We're gonna get them back in the water.
Back he goes.
There you go.
There he is.
Got him.
Fireball's still on the line.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Chartreuse?
Brown trout.
Oh.
Got a nice orange belly on him. Fat guy.
So what we're doing today, this is a small stream. You can see how clear the water is, and it's a pretty deep hole. So I'm running my sinkers a little bit higher than what I usually do, so those fish don't see them. I'm still running a float. I got an orange shrimp fireball in there. Light line, because it's clear water, small stream, picky fish. See if we can get one. Bam! Got him. There's a big log out there. He's pulled right under that log. That one was on a pink shrimp fireball. Changed it up a bit.
You went from orange shrimp to pink shrimp.
Yep.
Must be a shrimp kind of a day. And look at the quality on that brook trout. Get in there.
Check out this beautiful brookie we just got drifting a fireball through that little hole down there. Check out the orange belly on him. These are really dark. He's like a lot darker than the ones we just caught earlier today. Really nice looking fish.
Alright, well, I've done a lot of exciting stuff in my life, but I have never experienced anything like this. The fish are actually coming up and eating the fireballs straight in front of the camera, probably within 3-4 inches sometimes. What I've been doing today is I've been using some chartreuse garlic fireballs. All I've been doing is just hooking on a single, just like that. They've been hammering it.
Get him! Get him! Where's one? Double! Double! Nice. Ooh, Isaac, you got a nice one, dude. Nice one. That is a beautiful fish. There's one. John, get. One net, 2 fish. We got him. Look at this. The brook trout bonanza here in Pennsylvania. What a day.
Today's episode of Pautzke Outdoors comes to you from Pennsylvania. If you've heard of Whipple Dam, we're at the creek that flows into Whipple Dam, so basically Laurel Creek. And we've done some pretty exciting things today. It's one of the few times that we've actually been able to fish and drift our baits right into the hole with an underwater camera and watch these fish just come and inhale them. At one point, we were drifting fireballs and the trout were fighting over who got the fireball first. It was pretty exciting to see. You know, John started off with a little bit of brown trout fireballs and switched over to chartreuse garlic. And Isaac kind of bounced back and forth between pink shrimp and orange shrimp, and every one of them just got inhaled. We probably caught and released 2 or 3 dozen fish on fireballs in less than an hour. Now, we started the day off with fire bait. Isaac caught his first fish on garlic salmon egg. And then John was using feed pellet brown, as you've seen in this video. And boy, what a great time we've had here catching and releasing brook trout here in Pennsylvania. State has done such a beautiful job raising fish that have full tails, beautiful colors on them, and are real strong fighters.